Marist of Champagne, greetings from the General House in Rome. During the month of June, 60 delegates from throughout the Marist world will meet in Rome for the third assembly of the Marist International Solidarity Network. The work of the network covers 5 themes: children's rights, integral ecology, education and solidarity, social works and development funds. These themes will all be considered during the Assembly. The Assembly will also review the work that has been done in the area of solidarity in recent years. The delegates will dream together the future of solidarity in our Institute. The 22nd General Chapter invited us to build bridges. The Solidarity Network brings together the different expressions of solidarity in our Institute and encourages us together to build bridges. Solidarity also invites us to be present among the most vulnerable. This is what the network is doing. The June Assembly offers us the possibility to continue to grow in solidarity. It gives us the opportunity to reflect and to discover concrete responses to our most needy children and young people. Because of its significance for the Institute, we invite you to prepare for the Assembly, to pray for it, and to participate through the news that will be published on the social networks. Wishing you all the best.